Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a Tuesday morning haul. And this haul is primarily a haul for my aunt, not for me. So I had sent her a picture of the shaker cards that I showed in my other video, and asked her if she, you know, because she used them more, they had another one. And I showed her some Anna Griffin ones, and she said yes. So she's this is her haul. So I'm just share. I have to put the cards together for her and then take them to her. Anyway, before I do that, I'm going to show you the only thing I did pick up. I did get this cartridge for someone. This is the ornamental iron. This was on clearance at Tuesday morning at Cricket. And this is House Mouse Amanda, $1.99, 2045001. And I give the number so you can look up the SKU if you want to, excuse me, contact the product hotline, type in that SKU and your zip code, and they'll let you know if it's in the area. They actually had quite a few House Mouse stamps. This one was on clearance, but this is 1867633. And I'm noticing that Tuesday morning, some stores will have additional 25% off and some stores don't. So I guess that's the store's discretion. So, I picked up this last Firefly Shaker kit, and this was the birthday one. She really wanted this one, and it's 1995450. And I already showed these, but I'm just going to show you the thank you kit number. The last two digits is 52, and then the everyday cards, the last two digits is 51. So I will be putting some confetti in those and getting that for her. And these are just some of the Anna Griffin ones. And this one I already hauled and showed you, but I'm putting them together for her. So I had them all together. But this is the Get Well one. And it is $249, of course. And it's 2010126. And that's what the finished products, you know, look like. They come with the envelopes as well. This one is for my friend. 1950053. This one says dear friend, for my friend as well. Another different set. 1950056. This birthday one, 2010123, and that's what they look like. This thank you one, 2010125. And then the last one, sympathy, and these have been in the stores before. They just came back out, got out again, and I'm just getting them from my aunt. But anyway, it's 2010127. I actually have some of these anyway, but so I'm gonna put those back, and I'll come back, oops, with another video once I put them all together and just show you the reveal of those, which most of you probably have seen, but I would do that. And this will be going to my aunt, because like I said before, she has a card ministry where she likes to send cards. And so anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.